Welcome aboard Celebrity Edge. Today we're going to dive into one of the most luxurious accommodations at sea, the iconic suite on Celebrity Edge. Now you may have seen one of our other videos taking a look at the iconic suite. Well, there's two on Celebrity Edge and that video was for the other one. So this video is going to be on cabin 12101, which is the other iconic suite on Celebrity Edge. Now I was on board with some of the celebrity staff and they tried to convince me that the iconic suite is more than just a suite. It's all about luxury and tailored personal experiences at sea. Now, how about you take a look at this video and let me know at the end whether you agree with them or not. So let's step inside, take a look at this suite and explore what makes this cabin so special. Now located on deck 12, it is directly above the bridge. Gives you the exact same breathtaking views as the captain of the very ship that you're on would be seeing. So it's quite an insight into the cruise voyage. Now to be specific, there are panoramic 270-degree views from the iconic suite. There's a spacious living area with premium furnishings, which is perfect for relaxation or entertaining, or both if you so wish. Not only that, but it is a big suite. There's 2 full-size bedrooms and 2 full-size bathrooms, providing maximum comfort for up to 6 guests. Now every detail in the iconic suite is designed to create an oasis of luxury, complete with world-class amenities. In-suite dining, which is available 24/7, with meals catered from the various specialty restaurants on board. The bedding can only be described as luxury, designed to give you the ultimate sleep quality. The bathrooms are what I would refer to as spa-inspired, I guess. Dual sinks, a rain shower, and an expansive soaking tub, which when you open the doors gives you beautiful ocean views. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a luxurious modern ship without smart technology so that you can control pretty much everything in the suite itself. You can control lighting, curtains, and room temperature all with ease. Now let's step outside to the outdoor private terrace. Now this space truly sets the iconic suite apart. The private terrace comes with a cabana, sun lounges, and an alfresco dining table. There's a personal hot tub, which is perfect for relaxing under the stars. And there's even an outdoor bar setup, which you can enjoy cocktails with unmatched views. Now, another differentiating factor about the iconic suite is the level of service that you get when you're on board. The iconic suite does come with a personal butler service, which is available through your stay. There's complimentary premium beverages, and you'll even find a welcome champagne upon arrival, waiting just on the table like this one here. Now the staff did tell me that there are daily treats as well, so what those daily treats are, we'll have to find out. You'll have to get on board and find out yourself. Now being the premium suite on board, as you'd expect, there is priority embarkation and disembarkation, which means getting on and off the ship, which is to provide you a seamless travel experience, obviously. And you don't need to worry about the added cost of Wi-Fi because it's all included with the suite cost. And let's talk about cost. Now the iconic suite is a significant investment in luxury travel, with prices starting from around $10,000 per night, depending on the season and the itinerary, of course. Now, please keep in mind that prices are subject to change. So massive disclaimer here, due to its popularity, the iconic suite does sell out well and truly in advance. So if you are interested in booking it, I do encourage you to think, book, plan well and truly in advance. Be sure to plan and book your stay as early as possible so that you simply don't miss out. The iconic suite 12101 on Celebrity Edge offers an unmatched luxury experience at sea. It combines comfort, exclusivity, and amazing views. If you're ready to make memories that last a lifetime, then perhaps the iconic suite is for you. Want more details or need help booking, then simply contact SW Black Travel. We'd be happy to help you find the next voyage with the iconic suite that is available. We can give you the pricing and all the lowdown, all the details, whatever you need, we can help you. But before you do that, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe for more exclusive travel and cruise content. And that's it. That is the iconic suite 12101 on Celebrity Edge. Thank you for joining me for this video, and until next time, keep cruising.